the long-awaited, rumored Blackstone 22-inch XL Griddle Pellet Grill Combo. It is here, it is live, and here it is, y'all. Feast your eyes on this bad boy. Everybody has been talking about this pellet grill and the griddle combo, and man, I think this is gonna add a great piece to our lineup.
So going over a few features, we have 4 lockable casters, moves around real nice, and you lock it down. 20-pound hopper here. The controller, really nice and easy, user-friendly. Man, look at that thing. She is pretty, smoking real nice. If you notice, there's not a stack on this, so the exhaust comes out these holes in the back of the grill. We're looking at 884 square inches of pellet grill cooking surface. Got a range of 180 to 500 degrees. Rollback hood for easy access. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. 3-stage stowable top rack. Here I'm plugging one of the 2 included probes, up to 4 probes total. Check out this viewing window so you know how many pellets you have left. And this door right here will let you change out your pellets. The app is real simple also. You can select your temp or enter it manually. There's 4 timers, and you can set those timers to different times. The front foldable locking shelf is really nice. You don't want them ribs falling on the dang floor. Over on the griddle, you got this shelf that's also foldable whenever you don't needed it. Here is a paper towel holder and a trash bag holder, and they're also foldable too. Getting the propane tank in is really easy, and it's got this nifty little bracket here that folds over, keeps that propane tank nice and sturdy. Over on the griddle, you got a 22-inch griddle with 484 square inches of cooking surface, folding hood, 2 independently controlled cooking zones with a total of 24,000 BTUs. Get your propane storage cabinet, a folding side shelf, and that patent-pending Omnivore griddle plate. And here I am just doing the initial seasoning here. More details down in the description. You'll have a link for how I season my griddles. If you're interested in one of these units, head on over to your local Lowe's or Lowe's.com and get one for yourself. Thanks for watching.